validating my policy.
Come outside. Come outside.
You're validating my policy. Where's your warrant? Where's your warrant?
Help. But when the police arrived, what they faced was not just alcohol, but a naked nightmare waiting behind the bathroom door.
Can I put my underwear on?
Stop!
You're letting this happen in front of my daughter!
He refused to go out, yelled at the police to challenge the law, but what shocked everyone was how she defended herself. Not with words, but with hot water and nakedness.
Yes, I just left out there. That's where...
Okay. Were you getting beat on? Who's in that room? Just your mom?
That's where my daughter is. She's the one that's drunk and that's where you need to go.
Okay, who's in the room now?
My daughter. She's the only one that's in there right now.
Okay. Let me step over here and I'll speak to you real quick.
I can't find my other one though. I can't find my other kid with the baby.
Who's the room downstairs? She had a kid.
She had the baby?
Yeah, she had a young kid.
Okay. We were at a wedding earlier and she had too much to drink.
Your daughter. The daughter's in the bedroom. I don't have access to the room yet.
I don't. It's in the bedroom.
What's going on with her?
She's drunk and she's psychotic when she's like that.
So why did she start hitting the small child downstairs?
She's downstairs with her aunt, who she attacked first. Because we told her just sit down. She finally got the baby to go to sleep.
Okay, so Anissa's child is downstairs. She wanted the baby. It was an argument over the child.
But we wouldn't give it to her because she's, you see how she's acting right now. She's, under the influence and is not acting.
After Maya got the baby and they got out of the room, them two, these two got out of the room with the baby, she started hitting me.
She attacked you in the bedroom.
In the back of my head, because I was going to start fighting her back, but I didn't want to do that, so I just turned and she was hitting me in the back of my head.
I did nothing wrong. She screamed in the bathroom, but within 5 minutes, the police were forced to make a decision that took everyone by surprise. Either come out or we go in.
You have 30 seconds to come and speak to us.
Sorry, who?
Is Officer Police Barn?
Who gave the
Alright, you need to come out and speak to us.
are you bothering people?
Oscar's Police Barn.
Outside.
Come out. Step out. Step out of the shower.
Where's your warrant?
Step out.
Come outside.
Your warrant.
Step out.
Come outside.
Please show me your warrant.
Step out.
Come outside. Step out. Come
You're
outside.
validating my policy.
Come outside.
Step
out. Come outside.
You're
Who
validating
gave you?
my
Anissa.
policy. Where's your warrant?
Turn around.
Where's your
Turn
warrant?
around to your back. Get out of the shower.
Where's your
Out of the shower.
warrant? Where's your warrant?
Step out of
Step
the
out.
shower.
Step out.
Sorry, this is too hot.
Step out of the shower.
Anissa, step out of the shower. Come on. Stand up.
Y'all trying to burn me
Stand
now.
up.
Where's your
Step out of
warrant?
the shower.
Where the is your
Step out
warrant?
of the shower.
I'm suing you.
Come on.
Step out of the shower.
Where's your warrant?
Step out of the shower.
Where's
We
your
gave you
warrant?
warrant to come outside.
Okay, where's your warrant? Where's your warrant?
Step outside. No.
Step out of the shower.
Come on.
Don't fight me.
No, don't.
Nobody's trying to bite you. This is your paw.
Don't fight him. Just
Paw. I'm naked as hard as.
step out of the shower. Come on. Anissa,
Where's
you
your
don't-
warrant?
Step out of the shower. We don't need a
Where's
warrant.
your warrant?
Come on.
Where's your warrant? Where's your warrant?
Anissa, get out of the shower. Ready? Anissa, come on.
Damn, y'all want to see me naked that bad?
Sorry. Put your hands on your back.
No. No. What the f*** guys want? What are you charging me with?
Battery
What are
household
you-
member.
no, what the
Slide.
Show me the evidence. No,
Lisa.
no.
Get on your back.
Show me
Get
the
on your
evidence. Show me the evidence.
She struggled, scratched, kicked, and even bit. At that time, the police had to use a special device to control the woman, who was naked.
No.
You had your chance, Anissa.
No.
Put her on the stomach. Put her on the stomach.
Can I put my underwear on? No. 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 Harassing me. No, you're sexually harassing me. You're sexually harassing me. Oh. Don't kick me. Stop.
Don't kick her! Stop!
Mom, you're letting this happen in front of my daughter. I'm naked. Get the off me. No. You.
Hey, we're gonna have to get her. Roll him.
Roller so I can see her teeth. Roller so I can see her teeth. Roll her so I can see her. Roll her so I can see her.
Alright.
Don't kick me. Stop
Don't
kicking
kick.
me.
You not kicking me.
Yeah, let's do it.
Put the pen in the cover. Alright, we're gonna roll you over.
Cops just wanna see my face.
Don't fight me.
Get the fuck me, the
Don't
whole
fight me.
pretty ass.
So what's the blood from? Where's she bleeding?
That's her.
Don't kick again. Do not kick again.
not kick.
Stop kicking.
Dragged out of the hotel naked, screaming and vowing to sue the entire force. But what awaited her was not a lawyer, but charges of assaulting a police officer.
On me, cause what the is this? I can't breathe, to be honest. I got in my hair cause I can't. I'm claustrophobic, to be honest, and I can't. Like, I'm gonna freak out. Please, can you? Please, I won't. I promise. I need to blow my nose. Can you please blow my nose? Like, just.
Put you on the gurney, okay?
I don't give a what you do.
It needs to be here.
La la la, y'all don't have a warrant. Y'all getting sued. I have a lawyer.
Do another.
La
Ready?
la la.
Wake up and 1, 2.
La la la. La la la. La la. Does that make you feel powerful? Are you powerful? Does that make you feel powerful? Just be a pervert, little chin. Take perverts of a naked picture of a naked. Can I take a picture of me naked? Shut the up. Shut the up. Ain't nobody asked for your opinion. Pretty boy. Shut the up. Shut the up. Y'all won't hear from me again. Y'all won't have to do with me no more. Or my baby. Once the I get out. You won't have to do with my child. I hope you're happy. Shut up. Shut the up. Nobody asked for your opinion. Rattle. Cracker. Come here. Come here. Come here. Go ahead.
The 21-year-old woman was charged with 3 counts: assault on a police officer, 3 counts assault on a family member. After a medical evaluation and initial processing, she will face criminal proceedings under state law.